So we are going to design the engine in the Onshape, and in this video I am going to design the block of the engine. So go to create. I'm going to open a document, name it engine. For the first part, we are going to make it a block, engine block, and verify the units. The workspace unit must be in inches. Open the sketch, and I'm going to select the front plane as my first sketch plane. View normal to the sketch plane. Select the line tool, and we have to draw a random sketch. So I'm going to start my sketch from this origin. Draw horizontal line, and then a line at some angle, then a line at some angle, and we have to join these. So make sure this point auto track. So here we are going to draw another line and escape the line tool. Now select the circle tool and draw a circle in the origin and escape the circle tool. Now we have to give the dimensions and apply the constraint. Here we have the constraint, so we can fully define it. So the first dimension, we have to give the dimension from this point to this center. This dimension we have 6 inches, like that, and another dimension from this point to this point, like that. Place this dimension vertical, and this dimension is 3 inches, and this dimension we have 2 inches. Now use the trim tool and trim this portion of the circle, so we have this arc. Then trim this portion and this portion, and keep the dimension to this arc. So this arc has the radius of 3.1, like that. Now we have to define angular dimension. So dimension between this line and this line, this dimension is 135 degree. And other dimension for this line and this line, and this dimension is 90. So at this point we fully define our sketch. Now we can use the mirror tool. So we needed this portion or this sketch in this side. So we can use the construction tool and make this line our reference line. Construction tool, select this line. So this line will be converted to a, select this line and select the construction tool. So this line will be converted into a dotted line for the reference. And next we have to use the mirror tool. When we select the mirror tool, select a mirror line. So this will be the mirror line, and select intensities to be mirrored. So these intensities I am going to mirror it. So now our sketch is complete, and exit the sketch. Now this is the sketch. Go to the extrude tool, select this portion of the sketch and define the depth of this sketch. So basically, face of the sketch, we are making a new solid new and blind, and add the dimension of 7.10 and press OK. The check mark the tick. So now we have to make a sketch and cut some material. So for that I am going to add a plane, select this face, and now we are going to use the offset plane and give the dimension 2.85. The plane is in this side, but we needed the plane in the this direction. Check mark. Open the sketch on this new plane, plane 1, and right click to view normal to sketch plane. Now we have to draw a line starting from this center like that. Okay, and now we use this convert entities tool. Select this one and convert this line into this sketch. So this edge of this model is converted to a sketch in sketch 2. Now this edge is converted into a line, and now we needed to draw another line like that. And this line we have to make a construction line. So select this line and select the construction tool and select the dimension and assign the dimension. So between this line and this reference line we have the dimension of 45 degree, and use the trim tool, trim this. And now we are going to use the offset, and we have to define the dimension for this offset. So we are going to make the offset in this direction, and this is the dimension. So this dimension we have to 3.05 divided by 2. So now we have a line here which is basically offset from this line, and use the trim tool. We are going to trim this. Sorry, we have to project this circle. So convert identities tool and select this circle, and now use the trim. So basically we don't need this portion and this portion and this portion, this portion, this portion, and this portion. And we are going to exit from the trim tool, and this line exit the sketch. And now we have to use the revolve command, and we are going to remove this and revolve axis. We have to select the axis, edit tool, and this line we are going to make it a construction line, and line from here, this portion we need it. This line is not construction line. And now we try this. This is the sketch axis. So here we have to remove the material. So now you can see the material is removed. So we selected this sketch, and this will be the axis around which it will be revolved and remove the material. So this is here, and same way we needed another cut at this side. So we are going to hide this, click on this eye, so this plane is hidden. Now again select the plane tool and select this face. Same way we needed a plane of 2.85, but in other direction, in this direction. So opposite direction, here we have this plane. So same way we can make this cut, but in this side I am going to use another approach. So open the sketch on this plane and right click and view normal to sketch plane. I am going to draw a line like that. Again select the line tool, draw a line like that, and we have to select this line and select the construction. So this line is converted into a reference line and give the dimension. So this dimension we have 45. And now we needed to use the coincident command. Select this point and this edge. So this line must be coincident on this edge. Exit the sketch and again open the sketch on this face and select the circle, and we have to draw a circle which is coincident with this line. The point is coincident with this edge. We make that. So now this circle we have to draw it here on this face. We can also go to normal view. So this is the point where the center of the circle must be coincident. So we can draw a circle like that, and then we can add the coincident relation between this point and this point like that. And now we needed to define the dimension. So this dimension is 3.05. Exit the sketch. Now we have this circle and this line. So which command we can use? We can use this sweep. So basically for the sweep we needed a face. So this is the circle is the face or the sketch and sweep path. This line is the path. And what we want, we want to remove the material. So click on remove and check mark. So now the material is removed. So we did the same thing but using another approach. So now this is the first model. We can change the appearance. Okay. So this is the first model of the engine block. We will make the next part in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video.